back pain. It's one of the more common complaints that we have as a society and even across the world when it comes to orthopedic and musculoskeletal problems. Some of us have acute episodes, some have more chronic impairments. Regardless of the situation, stretching exercise is the long-term management, but sometimes it takes a little bit more, or it's beneficial to do other things to help complement the exercise approach. And oftentimes we hear use a pillow at night to help you sleep a little bit better, because sleep can often become a problematic or challenging event, which then leaves you tired and restless and agitated in the morning when you wake up. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly use a pillow to help alleviate your lower back, pelvic, and even hip area pain. So most of us have plenty of pillows lying around our beds in terms of decorative and everything else. If you're like my wife, she loves to have a lot of pillows on the bed. And so we're going to use one of those, or if not, invest in another pillow to use for this. And so we'll take one pillow. If you're a back sleeper and we're laying flat on our backs, slide that pillow right underneath the knees. Now, if you have a knee condition, sometimes we caution against this because we want to avoid a knee bent position for a long time. If that's not your situation, this is a nice way to alleviate low back pain, is it gently rounds or tilts. We call this a posterior tilt to create a nice neutral spine position, and usually relatively comfortable for most people. So this is one option or one position to get into. The next option for this, if you're a side sleeper, many folks have tried to use that pillow between the knees, and that's perfectly fine if we're here. What this does is it keeps your pelvis in a neutral position to avoid having one leg drop down to pull one side or the other, which can create stress or torsion, twisting forces through the spine. Sometimes that's uncomfortable, so putting a pillow between the knees as you sleep is another option, and then obviously the same on the other side. The last option is to take a pillow, or sometimes we use a body pillow or a couple of pillows, and if you like to sleep in kind of a staggered leg position or semi on your side, this is a nice way to prop up one leg. So I have one leg straight, and now we bring the opposite leg and let it rest here, which again keeps a nice level position through the spine. And now we can lay comfortably from this position. If we move a little bit, we're fine. But sleep can be a challenge. Ultimately, we want to help you get comfortable, find a way to get you comfortable so you wake up feeling refreshed, then you're ready to get on with your day and initiate those exercises that we talk about in the other back pain videos. Thanks for your time. We'll see you in the next videos.